IBDEA family, this is Morgan Morris, your 2025 conference chair, with a special announcement. As we get ready for the upcoming conference ahead, this year our host community faces challenges it never expected. In the wake of the recent hurricane, many of the businesses, families, and workers who make St. Pete Beach so special are still recovering. Many homes were destroyed, businesses told they had to shut down, and some operations, even like the Don Cesar, not expected to open until mid-2026. As IBDEA members, we know the power of coming together, not just for our community and industry, but for the communities in need. The Tradewinds Island Grand Resort is currently doing all it can to be fully operational come March, and it's amazing to see a space once filled with more than 8 feet of water do what it's doing today. But your presence here for the 2025 conference isn't just about business, it's really about helping the people of St. Pete Beach. These moments mean now more than ever. They fuel local recovery efforts and remind this community that they are not alone. To the IBDEA family, thank you for choosing to return for a conference this year. This year's support makes a world of difference, and come March 2025, I know we can make a significant impact. Can't wait to see you here in March 2025.